Did you know that unplanned shutdowns of refinery equipment can cost a company more than $40 million a year? Aging electrical equipment is at a higher risk of failure. Modernize your MV protection relays with the EcoFit Easergy P5 solution and add new digital features to your equipment. Thanks to the EcoFit selector, you can configure your new equipment in just 2 clicks. Are your protection relays over 10 years old? Now is the time to modernize. Your new EcoFit P5 is designed to slot in place of your existing unit. It helps reduce the risk of injuries during installation. Clear cable labeling means quick and intuitive wiring. EcoFit P5 has 2 mounting options, so it'll fit smoothly in your existing switchgear. The relay pins get automatically relabeled, so you don't have to update the single-line diagram. The conversion tool automatically updates your new relay with the previous settings. Choose EcoFit, cost-effective, time-saving switchgear modernization, and add powerful digital features and greater peace of mind. Start today.